Hari Om, Namo Namaha, Sarvebhyah. Bowing greetings to everyone. I am excited to be back with this new session of Sanskrita Katha, story in Sanskrit. Atha Sanskrita Kathayaha Samayaha. Now it's time for story in Sanskrit. So, hope you will enjoy this story. Please stay until the end. This is one of my most favorite stories, which has a deep takeaway message until the very end. Kathayaha nama Sahasa Vidadhita na Kriyam. The name of the story is Hasty Action Should Be Avoided. Ekasmin grame eka mahila vasati sma. Once upon a time, in a village, there lived one lady. Sa ekam nakulam palayati sma. She had a pet mongoose. Okay, a pet mongoose. Nakulasya vishaye tasyaha bahupritihi asit. She was very fond of her mongoose. Mahilayaha ekaha shishuhu api asit. That woman also had a child. Tasyaha grihasya samipe jalam na asit. That lady didn't have water near her house. Jalam anetum sa duram gacchati sma. To fetch water, she went far. Ekasmin dine jalam anetum sa agachat. One day, to fetch water, she went. Grihe kopi na asit. There was nobody in the house. Tasyaha shishuhu nidritaha asit. Her child was sleeping inside the house. Mahila bahihi gata. The lady went outside. Tada ekaha sarpaha griham agataha. Then one snake came to the house. Nakulaha sarpam apashyat. The mongoose saw the snake. Sarpaha shishu samipam agachat. The snake went close to the child. Nakulaha tatkshane eva sarpasya upari apatat. That mongoose at that very moment jumped on the snake. Kshana matrena eva saha sarpam amarayat. Within moments, he killed the snake. The mongoose killed the snake. Mahila jalam grihitva agata. In the meantime, the lady came back fetching water. Dware eva nakulaha upavishtaha. At the door itself, the mongoose was sitting and waiting for the lady. Mahila nakulasya mukham apashyat. The lady saw the mongoose's face. Nakulasya mukham raktamayam. The face of the mongoose was blood red. Sa achintayat. She thought, Ayam nakulaha mama shishum akhadat. This mongoose has eaten my child. Ataha eva asya mukham raktam iti. That's why its face is red colored. Thus, she thought. Sa tatkshane eva ekam shilakhandam nakulasya upari akshipat. She, at that very moment, picked up a piece of stone, and threw it on or at the mongoose. Nakulaha mritaha. The mongoose died. Anantaram sa grihasya antaha gata. After that, she entered the house. Tatra shishuhu kridati. There, the child was playing. Tatraiva mritam sarpam apashyat. There itself, she saw the dead snake. Sa bahu dukkhita abhavat. She became very sad. Avicharena maya nakulaha sanghritaha iti sa paschatapena pidita abhavat. She repented, thinking that she had killed the mongoose without clearly understanding the situation. अतः किमपि कार्यं सहसा न कर्तव्यम. Therefore, no action should be done hastily. Right? Vicharam kritva eva kartavyam. One should think well before taking the action. So this was the story. Katha sahasa vidadhita na kriyam. Hasty action should be avoided. Now there is a wonderful saying that goes like this, that the wisdom lies in the space between a thought and the associated action. In the space or in the pause in between the thought and the action lies the wisdom. The more our mind becomes calmer through certain mindful practices, be it meditation, be it some mindful hobbies, be it music, be it, the more mind gets calmer and the more there is space that gets created in between thought and action. Basically, we think more before taking a certain action. We don't have to feed always what the thought is asking the mind, right? So again, today's story name was Katha story, Sahasa Vidadhita na Kriyam. Hasty action should be avoided. So we will finish this session with peace chant. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayaah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om shanti shanti shanti. Hare Om. May everybody be happy. May everybody be healthy. May everybody sees the auspiciousness in everything. May everybody be free from sufferings. Thank you for joining today's story session in Sanskritam. If you are willing to start your journey of Sanskrit language and learn this divine Deva Bhasha, the language of the celestial beings, please send a DM. I would be happy to support your interest. Thank you. Hari Om. See you in the next session. Namaste.